Good morning. And Dave from YouTube. I hope everybody's doing a good day. Today we start the adjustment of the go-to from Insta360. In this particular video, I'm going to describe certain issues that have occurred with the go-to since I had recently purchased it not even less than a month ago. Right now, as we're seeing, you can see a very clear picture, but just a few days ago, I couldn't get a good picture off of it. I was not aware that we're not supposed to take the lens guard off. See, right there it shows that I'm checking to make sure that the lens guard is tightened up when I'm going underwater. We're getting a good clear picture, but if you can see on previous videos, it looked terrible. Right here, you're noticing that the video is very clear, but you couldn't get it clear back then. I was told that the moment you remove the lens guard from the go-to, it is no longer waterproof. But yet, when I removed it, I was still able to operate it under normal conditions. Of course, it was just under a swimming pool. It wasn't someplace deep or anything long. And that's what actually saved my camera from being ruined, because it will ruin the lens. The lens by itself is not waterproof. You got to have the lens guard in order to make it waterproof for it to stay longer down in the water. That was the main problem with this camera, is that a couple of days ago I saw the lens guard was dirty in the inside, so I decided to remove it and clean it with a soft cloth and put it right back. Well, it wasn't tightened correctly, or it wasn't tightened enough, that water started to leak inside between the camera lens and the camera guard. It was no big deal because all I did was just dried it off. But I started noticing that every time I went inside the water, it kept fogging a lot. So I had to call customer service, and they said, do not remove the lens guard if you're going to be underwater. Underwater, it requires the lens guard so it can last underwater longer. It is waterproof without the lens guard, but it's not waterproof enough. It's not 100% waterproof. You will get some type of droplings in there. So I learned by customer service's advice and dried the lens guard, and now I'm trying it out again, and sure enough, it came out perfect. Well, I did a selfie on me. Did a selfie on me and a selfie video on me. Hopefully the speakers are working. Hopefully the microphone is working. So you can hear my voice. Um, I'm gonna post this on YouTube later on this morning. If it turned out to be a good video, there's no need to return this product back to the store since I've learned how to, or I was taught to how to fix the problem, and I will be contacting Instant 360 customer service, letting them know that based on their advice, I was able to fix this. Um, we'll see because in the past days, I was able to not get a good video, not get a good video feed. It keep coming out with a lot of fog, but up to right now, I have not seen any fog on the lens at all, um, and no fog on the lens cover either. So, just based on what the Insta 360 customer service told me last night, I did exactly the way he said it, and it seems to have fixed the problem. Um, so, I was kind of worried because I thought I probably wasn't going to be able to fix it, but yeah, I was able to fix it so far. But we're going to see how this works.